Hey there, in the last video I told you about that we'll be doing list and other cool stuff about strings in this video. So I'll be completing strings first, and if we've got time then we'll be continuing with list, or if we have no time then we'll learn about list in the next video. So let's continue with string. Let's name a variable name is equal to PC helper or whatever you want, and if we want to access a particular character in this string, what we can do is just write the name of the variable, and if you want to access the first character of the string, we can just write this in this type of brackets, and it will print C. So some of you might be thinking, why didn't it print P if P is the first character? So the number system is in the computer is a bit different. As we start counting from 1, 2, 3 and so on, the computer do it differently by starting it with a 0. So the computer read it like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It reads the 9th as the string terminator. So the length of the string is not 8, it's 9, because one space is reserved for the string terminator. So if we want to print P, we'll just type name 0 and it will print P. We can also access a particular segment. We can add a limit to the string, like name is the variable. We'll start from the second, or we'll start from the third character. We'll add this colon and end it at the 8th character. So what will it do? It will start from the third character and end it before the 8th character. So 8th character was R, so it will end it before R and start from the third character. Third character is 0, 1, 2, 3. H was the third character, so it started from H. Other thing we can do is, if we don't add a starting point and we just simply add ending point 6, it will start from 0. And it is the same case if we don't add an ending point, it will read the whole string starting from the initializing point we have mentioned. So it will start from 2. 2 is for 0, 1, 2. So it will start from the space, second character is space, until the end of the string, because we have not added a limit. And if we don't add starting and ending point both, so it will print the whole string as it is. So this is how we can access particular part of a string. We can also add segments of a string, like name 0 to plus name 4 to 9. My bad. So it will add PC for 0 to second part, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 is for space, and helper because fourth character is E and will print it till the 9th character, that is before the string terminator. So it will add both of these values. The last thing about string we'll be discussing today is we can calculate length of a string by just entering len, that is short form for length, and entering the string. For example, my name is PC. So we get the length 13. So let's count it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 for the string terminator. We can do the same with a variable length of name, and it will show 9. We already counted it. So that's the different things and cool stuff we can do with the strings. It will really help us in future when we are making a program. So that's it for strings, and we'll be continuing list in the next video, because it's a big video now. And the reason why I prefer making short videos instead of the big ones, because it helps us to memorize a short part for better understanding. So it's easier to memorize short videos instead of big videos. So this is my concept, that's what I think. And if you like this type of videos, please write it in the comment section. And if you want me to make big videos, you can also write that in the comment section. So that's it for strings. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thank you.